Hi dear students, parents, welcome to Max Made Easy. So in this video also we are continuing our discussion related to chapter 1 class 4. So this is actually part 5 of the video. So if you are watching this video for the first time, I would recommend you to watch the previous videos, previous parts and come back to this video. Okay. So let's start with the proceed with the next question. So the next question is the six children for the 100 meter race are given. So photos of six children are given here and you have to give just numbers to these students. Okay, so and they are in the question they are saying that you are starting with 1000 and you have to start with 1000. Okay, so let's start from here. You have to start with 1000 and give numbers to these students without any break. So that is the information has been given in this question. So let's find out. So what all are the relevant information? The relevant information is given in the question is the starting number 1000. Okay, so 1000. So for to this student you are starting 1000. So now how will you find the next value? How to find? Suppose you have 1. What's the next number in the sequence? It is 2, right? So how did you get 2? You have to add 1 to 1. So now the 2 is there and now what is the next number in sequence? It is 3. How did you get 3? You added 1 to 2. So that is how you got 3. Okay, so now what you have to do to find out the next one in the series? To 1000 you have to add 1. Okay, so let's see how to add 1000. 1 to 1000. Okay, so now when you deal with the large numbers and if you want to add number, what you have to do is like you have to write it in the right place. So this one 1000 you have these many figures. So you are in the place value of 0 to place, 10 to place, hundreds place, 1000 place. So 1 it is there in only ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So 1 means it is in the ones place, right? So when you add, you have to write 1 in the ones place. Okay. So now you have to add these two values 0 and 1. So when you add 0 and 1, what you will get? You will get 1 and then all these things you can write directly because you don't have anything to add it to be here. Okay. So this is how you have to write when you write that number. When you write numbers which are see this value, so only one is digit, one digit is here. Now here 4 digits are there, so you just write it in the right place. So starting, so 1 is it in the ones place, so you have to write it in the ones place. Okay, so 1, when you add that to what you will get? You will get, see this 0 plus 1, this is 1. So now you have to write 1 here. Then all these values you have to write like this. Okay, 1 0 0, nothing is there to be added, so to write down 0, then this 0 and then this 1. Okay, so 1001. So you will get 1001 for this student. So this student it is 1001. So same way you have to add 1 to this 1001 to get the next number. So you will get 1002, then 1003, 1004, 1005 like this. Okay. So next question is 5 more children have joined for the race. So now these many 6 students are there. We have numbered them. Now 5 more have joined. We have to number them also without break. Okay. So till 1005 has already taken. So now what is the next number? How will you find next number? To 1005 you add 1. Okay. So to add, when you add 1 to 1005 you will get 1006. Okay. So here 1006, you start with 1006, then what you have to do? Add 1 to 1006, so you will get 1007. So then add 1 to 1007, so you will get 1008. Now add 1 to 1009, you will get 1008, you will get 1009. Now add 1 to 1009, then you will get 1010. So I'll show you how will you get 1009 plus 1, how to add. Okay. So 1009 plus 1 you have to add. So what you have to do is like, see, 9 plus 1. What you will get when you add 9 and plus 1, you will get 10. Okay, so now you got a 2-digit value. So whenever when you perform addition, when you get a 2-digit value, what you have to write is, you have to write only 1 digit here. So 10 digits at that ones place. What is the value in ones place? It is 0. So that 0 you have to write. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So 9 plus 1 you will get 10. So the answer is 9 plus 1 2 you will get 10. So whenever you perform addition, when you get a 2-digit value or 3-digit value, whatever it is, you write only the last digit there, 0. Okay, so here you have to write 0, and then this one you have to write on top, okay, of the next digit. So now what you have to do is you have to add up these three. Suppose if any value was here, you have to add all those things. Okay. So this carry. So this one you have to carry forward to next place. So this is what is called carry forwarding. So when you get a 2-digit value, so you are writing only the last digit here, and the next digit you have to carry forward to the next place. So now you have to add 1 plus 0. So what 1 plus 0, what you will get? It is 1. And now this 0, so you have nothing to be added. So you can directly write it here, 0. And then this one also you can directly 1. So you will get the answer as 1010. So when you add, you will get the answer as 1010. So this is how you have to add 1 to 1009. Okay. So similarly, I'll just show one more thing, one more addition for your understanding. See this 1006, how to add 1006, and let's say you are adding 27 to 1006. Okay, you are adding 27 to 1006. Okay, so how will you do? You have to add 6 plus 7. So when you add 6 plus 7, what you will get? You will be getting 13. Okay, 6 plus 7 will give you 13. So now in this 13, in this place, you have to write only the last digit. 3 you have to write. So now what you have to do? 1 is remaining. So that one you have to carry forward to next place. So 1. So now you have to add these three. 1 plus 0 plus 2. So 1 plus 0 plus 2, what you will get? You will get 3. Okay. So now this one, okay, nothing to carry forward. So now this 0 and nothing to be added here also. So this 0 bring down directly. 0. And this one also you bring down directly. 1. So you will get this. So when you add 1006 to 27, 1006 plus 27 will give you 1003. Okay. So this is how you have to perform the addition. Okay. So now let's go to the next question. So the next question is, children of Ramapuram LP school donate books to the library on their birthdays. Okay. So now the library has already 1003 books. Okay. So now you have to write steps. Okay. So what is the information is given? Number of books which are already there. So 1003. So the question is, in June, library got 3 books from children of class 1. Okay, so now how many books are there in the library? So you have to write down the steps. What all are the relevant information is given in the question. So what all are the relevant information is given in the question? So the first information is number of books which are already there. Initial number of books. So initial number of books is equal to 1003. Okay. Now what you have to do? What is the next information? Number of books that has received in the month of June. Okay, number of books received in June. So you got 3 books. So that is equal to 3. So now you have to find how many books are there in the library now. So how will you find out that? You have to add 1003 plus 3. Okay, so you have to perform this operation, 1003 plus 3. So let's do that, 1003 plus 3. Okay, so how will you do? 1003 plus 3. So 3 plus 3. What is the value? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so now what is there? Nothing is there to add. So you can bring down all these things directly. 0, 0 and 1. 1006. So the answer is 1006. Okay. So the answer is 1006. So how many books are there in the library now? 1006 books are there in the library now. Alright. Hope you understood this. So now let's move to the next question. So next question, they are saying, in June itself the library got 9 more books. Okay, so that is one more relevant information they have given. June itself library got 9 more books. Okay, so 9 more books are there. So now you have to find out how many books are there. Okay, So how many books are there? So how many books are there now? 1006 books are already there, and now you got 9 more. So how will you do? You have to add 1006 plus 9. So, okay, so now let's add this 1006 plus 9. Okay. So 6 plus 9 you have to do. So what is 6 plus 9? It is 15. Okay, 6 plus 9 is 15. So as we have discussed earlier, when you get a 2-digit value, write only 1 digit here in the place. So that is 5. Okay, whichever is in the ones place, and the next thing you have to carry forward to next position. So 5 you have written here, and you have to carry forward 1 to next place. So now 1 plus 0, what you will get? 1 plus 0, it is 1. Okay, now this 0 you can directly bring down this 0. So 0, and then this one nothing to be added, so that also you can directly bring down here. So it is 1015. So your answer is 1015. Okay, so the answer is 1015. So now what you have to do is give numbers to the, now it is what is given as, see, whatever is the number, you are giving numbering, the same number. So as when a new book come, you will give that number. That is 1016, the entry should be the book number. Okay. So now the question is give numbers in order to the 7 books. So now you have received 7 more books. Okay. So that is the question. 7 more books you have received in July. So now you have to give numbers to the books that has been received in July. So 1000. 1015 is already there. So 1015 numbers has already been occupied. So now what is the next number to start with? It should be 1015 plus 1. Okay, so now let's find out that. So we already 1015 books are there. So now 7 more books came. So we have to find out that values. Okay. So it is 1015. You have to find out 1015 plus 1. Okay. So how will you find out? It's very simple, right? 5 plus 1, 6. Nothing to carry forward. So all these things you can bring down directly. 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is 1016. Okay. So this one. So for this book, it is 1016. This book number is 1016. Okay. So next one, what you will get? 1016 plus 1. Okay, you have to find out 1016 plus 1. Okay, what you will get? 6 plus 1, 7. And this one you can bring, no, nothing to carry forward, bring down directly, 0, 1. So it is 1017. 1000. So this book number is 1017. Alright, so now what is this book number? It should be 1017 plus 1. Okay, so whatever is the previous number, add 1 to it. Okay, you will get the next number. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, and this one you can bring down directly, 1, 0, 1. So it is 1018. Okay, it is 1018. So now what you have to do? To this 1018, you have to add 1. Okay, so let's add. 1018, we have to add 1. 1018 plus 1. Okay, what you will get? 8 plus 1, it is 9. 9, and this bring back this one directly, bring down the 0 and this one also. So it is 1019. 1019, 1019. Now, so they have given you the answer for the next one. So when you add 1 to 1019, you will get 1020. Let's also do it. Try and find it out whether that is correct or not. So 1001, what you have? 1019, you add 1. So 9 plus 1, you will get 10, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have already seen in our previous problem, when you get this 2 digits, so you are writing only this last digit here, 0. And this one you have to carry forward to the next position. So this one you have to carry forward there. Okay. So now this 1 plus 1, what you will get? 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Okay. 2, and now you bring down all these things directly, nothing to be added. 1020. Okay, so it is 1020. So the next book is 1020. So now this one, these two I am leaving you as homework problem. You have to find out these two values. So what you have to do, 1020 add 1, and that would be this book number, and whatever the value that you got for this book number, add 1 to that and you will get this book number. Okay, so these two things you do it as homework problem. Hope you understood today's session. So if you want to receive more such videos, we will be doing this maths tutorial in this channel. So if you want to, for Kerala State Syllabus class 4 to 7, so if you want to receive more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.